Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tune Project. Today I'll be teaching you how to play It Came Upon a Midnight Clear on the violin, so stay tuned. And as always, if you end up enjoying this video and finding it to be helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up below. It really helps my channel out. And if you're not yet subscribed to the Tune Project, I post videos just like this one every week, so consider hitting that red subscribe button below along with the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post a new video. So for this tune, we are in 3/4 time. Extra credit if you can comment below letting me know what type of dance is in 3/4 time. And we're also in the key of C major, so make sure you're comfortable with that finger pattern, no sharps, no flats. And we begin this first phrase with a quarter note pickup on the D string, our third finger G. So ending on that same G that we started on. Next we start again on our third finger G and we walk up an ascending scale. Ending on D on the A string. Next we play exactly the same notes that we did for our first phrase, and again it goes like this. And for our next phrase, we start on our third finger G on the D string once again. And end on our low second finger C on the A string. Now, before we go any further, I want to take just this first half of the song and play it with you all so that you can have a chance to play along with me, just to make sure that you have all of the notes and are able to piece everything together. Now, I should note here that you may have noticed that I did not include any slurs while teaching each of these phrases for the sake of you being able to focus on the notes, but you are more than welcome to add as many slurs as you would like in this song if you are comfortable doing so. So here we go with this first half of It Came Upon a Midnight Clear. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Alright, now moving into this second half of It Came Upon a Midnight Clear, we are starting on the E string with our open E and then hopping down to the lower octave E on the D string. Alright, so you may have noticed there that we had two accidentals in that phrase. We had an F sharp and a G sharp. So neither of those are in our C major key signature. So just make sure that you are aware of those and are reaching that F sharp and G sharp as best you can. For the next phrase, we again start on an open E. We had a little descending scale pattern there. Now, these last two phrases of this section are the exact same ending that we had for the first half of the song. So I'll go ahead and play these last two phrases. So now, just like we did for the first half of the song, let's go ahead and take the second half now that we've learned it and play it together. I'll count us in. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Well, congratulations for learning all of It Came Upon a Midnight Clear with me today. I hope you enjoyed learning that one. Now, if you are interested in the sheet music for this song, I do have it in my digital sheet music library. And if you're interested in having access to that, I've left a link in the description box of this video for you to go check out so that you can have access to this song as well as many others. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy practicing. If you've made it this far, you must have enjoyed the video, so why not check out this one next? Also, if you'd like exclusive content from the Tune Project and a more personalized experience, head over to Patreon and join our wonderful little fiddle community. Your support helps me to continue to grow as a creator and ensures that I'm able to continue to provide free educational content here on YouTube. Thank you!